Good day guys, in this video I'm showing you how to fix the Discord stream pause problem. So guys, this is actually very easily fixed. So one of the few things you can try is, as you can see, I'm currently muted, and I'm muted for both hearing and inputting my voice. So what you want to do is just untick both of these so that the voice is actually being transmitted into your microphone and into Discord service, and this way if the sound is being received, the app won't actually pause your stream. And one more thing you can try and do, let us join the voice channel. When you're turning on the stream, you can just choose not the application, but for example, sometimes when you stream the window, it kind of pauses because your window isn't active. Maybe you're tabbing out or, gaming or something else. So instead of streaming the application, just stream the entire screen like this. Start sharing screen, and this way you won't be paused. So just try these few fixes. I think some of them might help you. And if they did, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.